Dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076. And our email ID is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. So if you need any help from us, that means you have any mathematical doubts or etc. So please feel free to contact without hesitation with us. You can call on this number or you can drop an email to our email ID, which is souravsirclasses@gmail.com, and you can WhatsApp us also. So then our team can arrange a doubt clearing session for you. After that, you can join as a student to our institution with you can join our regular batches, one-on-one sessions, our online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like ISI, CMI, TIFR, NVHM, PUMDET also. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Okay. So now we are going to solve a mathematical problem which is appeared in the year of 2024 in the question paper of PUMDET, and the question is telling us that the order of the center of the symmetric group S3 is equals to, so there are four options here, which are 1, 2, 6 and 3. Okay, so now we are going to solve it. So firstly we are going to know that our S3 is equals to what? So S3 is the permutation group of three elements. So our S3 is equals to identity 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So our order of S3 is equals to 6. We can see that as our 3 factorial is equals to 6. So order of S3 is equals to 6. So now we have to find the center of the symmetric group S3. So now what is the center of a group? So let us take a group be G. Then our center is called as ZG, which is equals to what? That is equals to the elements of the center. We know that they are what? They are the elements which commutes with every element of G. That means this ZG is a collection of those kind of G which is belongs to the group. That means that satisfies this thing. ZGX is equals to XG, where for all X belongs to G. Okay. So again, so now we are going to find what? We are going to find this thing. That means 3. That is equals to what? So we can easily see that our identity is a element of it. Why? Why? This is the element of it because we can say that our identity is the element which commutes with every other elements of the group. So and now we are going to see the transposition. That means our 1 2 1 3 and 2 3. What are they doing? We can see that 1 2 1 3, that is equals to 1 2 3. We can see that, and our 1 3 1 2, that is equals to what? That is equals to 1 1 3 2. So our 1 2 3 and 1 3 2 is not equal. So we can see that our 1 2 1 3 is not equals to 1 3 1 2. So our 1 2 1 3 2 3 etc. So the transitions are, sorry, the transpositions are not symmetric with each other, or they are not commuting with each other, and our 1 2 1 1 2 3 and 1 3 2 will not commute. So we can see that. So our only element of Z S3 will be the identity 1. So the identity, that means the our Z S3 is equals to only the singleton E. So the order of the, so the element, there exists only identity in the center of S3. So our order of the center of the symmetric group will be 1. Okay. So again, I am telling that if you have any mathematical query, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact us. So that will be beneficial for you. Then you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions, and you can give mock test. There mock test series also. So that will be beneficial for your upcoming examinations. Okay. Hope you understood, guys. So now, okay, thank you guys. Thank you.